guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Woodwork challenge with an exercise ball. So, you know what? Should we get into this?
This is part 2.
Yeah, this is part 2, but Woodwork challenge. So, Harry, you go first.
I'm going to try to do crossbar, okay?
Does it?
Yeah, it is that.
If it doesn't hit the crossbar, it still counts. So you could go. Yeah. If it doesn't hit it. It's not like call out. If it doesn't hit it, but it hits one of like the posts, or you're aiming for one of the posts that hits the crossbar, it doesn't matter. As long as it hits one of the woodworks, you get a point. So actually, I'm gonna go first. You know, I'm gonna go first. The camera's actually quite far away, so I'm gonna go from here. So I'm gonna try and get this thing high. Right. No! Yes! Yes! It's hit the post! I'll take that, you know.
Right, I'm going to try crossbar, because I'm good at crossbars, because I remember our last one.
He is the king of crossbars. With the exercise ball. And he's gonna... Oh! It hit the post! We hit the post! I feel that we should put the... I think we should put the ball further forward when we come to do the crossbar, because we can't like.
It's hard to chip up, even though I was pretty close.
Oh,
you went the wrong angle again. Do you know what my tactic is? I've just hit this crossbar there. So I'm going to try kick the ball this way a bit. No, that way a bit. And then if it doesn't hit the crossbar, I just told them my tactic.
if the tactic doesn't work, you have to eat poo.
Oh no, there isn't.
Oi, go.
Right, remember my tactic then.
I don't know the tactic.
I did it wrong! I did it wrong. What?
That doesn't count because you hit the
I
same
know.
post.
I'm going to do my tactic next
You
time.
moved the camera.
No, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, it was when I was sat down. Ah!
Ready?
Pussies.
Ollie.
Pussy lickers.
Damn it.
It's not working!
What?
There we go.
Do it so it can see the whole goal.
Yeah, it is. I see the whole goal.
Ready? Rabona. Bang.
It's not called a Rabona.
Yeah.
It's a Rabona.
It's whatever.
Ready? Remember my tactic. I'm doing it.
Oh my god, I just sat down and friggin' moved it.
Crossbar.
Oh my god.
Ah! Come on! That hit it! That did it again!
That didn't. Wait, did it hit the other post?
No, it hit that. Right. Put it in the comments so Michael can see. We'll probably watch the video before you upload it. So.
I didn't even see, so.
Put it in the comments, or we'll just
we'll
wait
count
until.
it for now, but the comments decide if it.
So we would have to do another video.
I can do it further forward because it's basically impossible to hit the crossbar, like far out. So.
Yes!
Right.
And I have to hit the crossbar.
Let's do this.
Can you see me? Yeah. Right, ready?
It's just saying they're far forward because like it's so hard. It's so hard to hit it from far out. This is even far out as well. Oh my gosh, where did that go, mate? Down the fucking beach, mate.
So did I a minute ago.
Down the freaking beach.
Crossbar challenge.
Nah, it doesn't count. It doesn't count, mate. That wasn't part of it. It's my go. There you go.
I tried to get over.
Stop it. Stop it, mate. You're making a video for that. Right. This is going to win it.
No, it's not. I can't.
It is going to.
Yes!
I think.
Wait, it's all up to this one because you started first.
Oh yeah,
So it'd be in
I
one
started first, so he gets one more go to redeem himself, to score to make it a draw. Now, in the comments below, you guys have to decide who won. If there's no comments, then we'll just decide ourselves from looking at the comments. So, it's your go.
So if I get this,
Crossbars in it. You have to hit the crossbar.
Yeah. If I do this, we're gonna have to do another thing. Alright, ready?
If he does this, then we'll do another video. No! Yes! Right, guys. So I think we have a winner. I have won the Woodwork challenge. So, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you're new around here. Okay, the ball is going. Subscribe if you're new around here. And peace. Bye-bye.